Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. In today's video I will talk about tips to create a greater business website. So it is very important to have your own website so you can control your online presence rather than relying on social media or other platforms. So a professional website gives you much better impression to your clients and customers. So now we're going to be talking about ways you can actually create a good website. So guys, the biggest mistake most beginners make is choosing the wrong platform to make a business website. So WordPress is the most popular and the best website builder in the world. It powers over 43% of all websites on the internet, including millions of small business websites all over the world. So WordPress is not just a blogging platform but a complete content management system, which is also abbreviated as CMS. Now let's talk about the things that you're going to be needing when it comes to creating a good website. The first thing you need is a domain name. Domain name is actually your website name. And the second thing you need is a website hosting plan. This will be your website home and where all your files will be stored. And the other thing you need is your time. So now let's talk about setting up your website. So there are two types of WordPress available. We have the WordPress.com. So this is the WordPress.com, and we have the WordPress.org. And these two platforms, they are different. So I'm going to be explaining what you need to know about each of them. So using WordPress.org, this will give you instant access to all WordPress features out of the box. So that's the benefit of using WordPress.org. So it's free to use. All you need to do is just to install WordPress and then you start publishing. Now when it comes to choosing a domain, which is very important for your website, there are several platforms that you can pick a domain or hosting plan from. So I'm going to be recommending Mode Web Host Solutions. So they offer domain services, they offer email services and web hosting services as well. So you can pick your preferred domain name from this platform, and you can also pick your preferred web hosting plan. Now the next thing you need to do after choosing a domain name and a good hosting plan from this platform is to install WordPress. So when you pick a domain name from Mode Web Host Solutions and you pick an hosting plan from here, your dashboard should look like this. So this is the cPanel of Mode Web Host Solution. So all you need to do is to install WordPress, which is very easy. All you have to do is to scroll down to the bottom, then you will find WordPress right here, as you can see. So all you have to do is to click on it, and then you wait for the next page to load up. It is very important that when installing WordPress, you make sure that you know your correct login information, because this is what will take you to the dashboard of your WordPress account. So this is very important. So guys, once this page loads up, you install WordPress, and once the installation is complete, the next thing you need to do is to create a content layout for your website. So this is very important. Always make sure that when creating your website, you have a good home page, you have a good about us page, your service or product page, and a contact us page. So these are very important. Now once you've done all that, the next thing you need to do is to choose a good theme for your business website. So here, called themeforest.net, you're going to find variety of themes here, premium themes that are very cool for the kind of business website that you intend to build. So all you need to do is just to use the search button on the top of the website to search for the particular theme of your choice, and then you pay, then you download. One thing you need to understand is that when it comes to choosing a theme for your business website, you need to make sure that the kind of theme you are choosing will be very simple and very flexible to use. So this is very important, because each WordPress theme comes with different customization settings to change its appearance. So you need to make sure that you pick the right theme for your website. Now the next thing you can do, the next thing is to make sure you install the right plugin. So all you have to do is to go to wordpress.org/plugin, and then you make use of the search box right here to search for the important plugins like contact form, social media feeds, Google Analytics, and so on. So this is very important. And if you want to work with WooCommerce, you want to create an e-commerce store, you can make use of WooCommerce. And the important plugins you need to get installed are WP Forms, the first one on the list is WP Forms. So this can actually help to add contact forms to your WordPress site so that potential customers can contact your business easily. And the next thing is to install an SEO plugin. So there are different SEO plugins out there that you can use. So you can use Yoast, you can use Rank Math, and you can use All-in-One SEO. So this is the SEO plugin right here. You can install this on your WordPress as well. Then another plugin you need to install is a Monster Insight. Monster Insight plugin. So this plugin helps you view user-friendly reports of your website activity and visitor stats using Google Analytics. So this is the plugin right here. Then the next thing you need to do to increase your website performance, it is very important for any form of website that you are building. You need to make sure that you install a caching plugin which can help speed up your website and improve the user experience by adding cache to your website. So you can make use of WP Super Cache. This is one of the best cache plugin for WordPress. WP Super Cache. So there are other caching plugin like Lightspeed Cache, but I recommend you go for WP Super Cache because this is a very fast caching engine for WordPress that produces static HTML files. So this is very good for your website. Now another thing you have to consider is to make sure that you install a backup plugin. So this is very important. There are different backup plugins out there. You can make use of a Duplicator, and there are numerous backup plugin out there. You have the backup body and so on. You can make use of anyone, and always make sure you put your website security first. And there are different security plugins right there, but the one I recommend is called Sucuri, which I have talked about in the previous video. So always make sure you have that installed in your WordPress. Now once you've done all that, make sure you submit your website to Google Search Console and of course Google Analytics. So this is very important. These are great ways where you can create a good website for your business. So it's very important that you follow this step if you want to create a good website. Make sure you choose the right domain for your business and the right hosting plan for your business. So there are different hosting plans out there. I've talked about that in the previous video. We have the shared hosting, we have the VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. So always make sure you weigh the kind of hosting that your website needs before buying an hosting plan. And you can definitely get from this platform Mode Web Host Solutions, and the website URL is modewebhost.com.ng. So these are important ways that you need to follow if you want to build a greater website for your business. So with these steps, you can build website without having to think about any issue at all. So guys, that's all for this video. If you have any question regarding this video, do well to use the comment section to ask your question. And if this is your first time in this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share so others can benefit from this tutorial. Bye.